Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lage Raho. In today's class we are learning linear programming problem 6 marks question, dear students. Question number 6. Let's see what they are given. We will see here. Minimize and maximize z is equal to x plus 2y subject to constants x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 100, 2x minus y is less than or equal to 0, 2x plus y less than or equal to 200, x comma y is greater than or equal to 0 by the graphical method. So as you have seen in previous video, it is something similar. There are three subject to constants are there. 1, 2, 3. This is just about non-negative constants. So not required to solve this one. So we have to draw the graph here means we require a points. So let us find the points, dear students. So how to find the points you see here? So we have to maximize z, maximize and minimize. Minimize and maximize they are told. Minimize means minimum, maximize means maximum value, dear students. So so how to find the points for this? So last video I had already told you equate this one. Equating means x plus 2y is equal to 100. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು equal ಮಾಡಿ. So equal to 100, let us find what? Points. So in the last video, dear students, many videos we have done on this linear programming. So those videos you see how to find the points I had already told you. But still I will say here also. So x value you keep it as 0. X value is 0 means y value will become how much? So 0 plus 2y is equal to 100. So 0 plus 2y is what? 2y is equal to 100, dear students. 2 1 ja 250 ja. 2 1 ja 250 ja, dear students. Y is equal to 50 we got. When x is 0 means y value is 50. So when y is 0 means it's a direct you can do. So y value you keep it as 0 here. 2 into 0 is 0. X plus 0 is x. X is equal to how much? 100, dear students. I hope you are getting. I will show you once. So 2 into 0 is equal to 100. 2 into 0 is 0, dear students. Is equal to 100. X plus 0 is x. X is equal to 100 we got. Got it, dear students? How to find the points? First one. So I will erase. This is not required. For your understanding purpose, I have written, dear students. So now let us see the next one. Next one you see here what it is. 2x minus y. 2x minus y is equal to 0. Again you have to make this as also equator. Equal you have to make it. Either ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು less than or equal to ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ equal to 0 ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So 2x minus y is equal to 0 means, so let us find the points. So now see here, dear students, observe very carefully. So x value if you keep it as a 0, what will happen you see? 2 into 0, x value is how much? 0. Minus y is equal to 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. 0 minus y is equal to 0, dear students. 0 minus y is equal to 0. Minus you send that side. If you send that side, it will not become minus 0. Because minus 0 plus 0 we can't write. Just you write it as a 0, dear students. Understood? So minus if you send this side, 0 by minus 1 is 0 only, dear students, and you will get the answer as what? 0. I hope it is clear. So now next we will keep it as what now? X is equal to 50. If you want anything you can take 20, 30, 40. So I will keep it here as what? X's value is 50. If my x value is 50, what will happen? 2 into 50. X value I am keeping it as what? 50, dear students. So because here if you want y also you can keep it as 0, 0, 0 only you will get. Because both the points will lie on the same origin. That's why it will lie on the same origin. So both the points are 0, 0 means. That's why I am changing the point here, dear students. So now see here. 2.00 ನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ. ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ನಾವು see here 2 into 50. 2 into 50 is how much? 100. 100 minus y is equal to 0. Minus y you take that side, it will become plus y. Y value is what? 100, dear students. I hope you can understand this. 2 into 50 is 100. 100 minus y is equal to 0. Minus y, if you take this side, y is equal to 100. I hope it is clear, everyone. Understood or not? Chamka ke nahi? Sabko? Yes. Very good. So now see here. Next point, how to find 2x plus y. Next point we can find here. That is 2x plus y is equal to 200. This is one of the important question, dear students. Please go through this also. Whatever we are solving in our channel, you have to be very carefully, you have to work on this. One will going to come in final exam now. So now see here how to solve this one. X comma y is that. So put x is equal to 0 now. Directly I will say now. 2 into 0, 0. X value we are keeping it as 0. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus y is y. Y is equal to how much you got? 200, dear students. Y is 200. Clear? So now see. Y value you keep it as 0. Y value if you keep it as 0. See here. 2x. Y value we are keeping it as 0. 2x plus 0 is equal to 200. 2x plus 0 is what? Don't say 0. 2x plus 0 is 2x, dear students. So please be careful while writing. 2 1 ja, 200 ja. So x value is what? 100, dear students. I hope it is clear, everyone. So we got the points. Let us draw the graph, dear students. I hope it is you are understanding this one. So you have to write this much in exam now. This side, what simplification is not required to show. Many times I am reminding in previous video also I had said. So same thing I am doing here also. Don't forget, no need of writing what? Showing the any things here, simplification. Fine. So please copy this. We will go for the continue. We will draw the graph, dear student. So I will continue it. Please copy this one. This side, I will continue here. I hope all of you have written. Let us draw the graph, dear students. How to draw the graph you observe here. So I will do freehand, dear student. Don't laugh at me. So because you know I am not using scale here. Directly I will draw. See my graph. It is looking different. I know that. So try to understand. Just for your understanding purpose, I am drawing here to make you clear about this. You draw with the scale in exam, dear students. So this is y dash and this is y. Got it? And this is the origin 0. So now see here. So first one 0 comma 50 100 comma 0 is there. We have to draw this point, plot this point on the graph. So before plotting we require to point it here. 1 centimeter is how much we will take. We will take it as dear students 50. Around 50 we will take. This is 100 we can take. So this is what 150 and this is 200. Up to 200 I can take. So now next is here. Here also I will do the same thing. This is a 50 and this is we will take it as 100 and this is 150, 200 and this is 250. Maximum we can take it up to here, or more if you want you can take 300 also. So because y value is maximum is 200, so that's why up to 200 we can go. X value is what 100 is the maximum, I think. So we have already gone for 200. Now let us plot the points, dear students. X is what? 0. Y is 50. X is 0. Y is 50. X is 0 here. Y is 50. Here only it will come. Can you see this point? 0 comma 50. First one 0 comma 50 will come here. X is 0. Y is 50. So now X is 100. X is 100. Y is how much? 0. So that means 100 comma 0. It will come here, dear students. So plot this one now. So we'll draw this diagram. I hope you are observing this, everyone. So now this line you already know. This line is nothing but what? X plus 2y is equal to 100, dear students. This line is x plus 2y is equal to 100. That is the equation of the line. So now see here. So whether this contains origin or not, in the last class only we have discussed. So x plus 2y is what they are given, greater than or less than it is, that is greater than or equal to 100 is there, dear students. So now for understanding what we'll do, we'll put a 0, dear students, in this. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, whether it contains origin or not. This is also not required to write in exam. For your understanding purpose, I am showing here. So x is 0, 2 into 0 greater than or equal to 100. So I am putting x and y as 0. So 0, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 is greater than 100. It is a false, dear students. So v is showing on face where 0, v kade maka ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, v akad ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 0 ಕಡೆ, v akad ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಕ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 0 100ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿಲ್ಲ, 100ಕ್ಕಿಂತನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It does not contain origin, dear students. If it is not containing origin means it will go upward. Shading will go upward, dear students. So otherwise I will write the equation of line here. X plus 2y is equal to 100. So better I will remove this side. Fine. You will understand shading is moving upward. Got it? Why upward? ಇದು false ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. क्यों upward हो रहा है? ये false y ना ऊपर जाता है shading. Origin को contain नहीं करता. So now see here. Next one. So everyone should have to understand I am using both the languages, dear students. Even English also I am using. And now see 2x. This is not required to show here. Directly you can think it later. So now see here. This is very important for us. 2x plus y. What they are given? They are given it is less than or equal to 200, dear students. Yes, no? This is given like this. So again you have to do what, dear students? You have to put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So now again I will put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Again it is a contains origin or not. So let us check. 2 into 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 200. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 200. Yes or no? Yes, no? So v is showing where face? v akad ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 200 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ 0 ಗಿಂತ. Yes. 200 है ना 0 से बड़ा है. V is showing on face on 200. That means this is true, dear students. If it is true, you know that it will contains what? Origin. So but we have to plot the graph first. 0, 200. This one I am saying, dear students, this one. 0, 200, where it will come? 0, 200 will come here. And next 100, 0, again same point. So that means this point and this point, we have to join them. See here. So you know this is the line of this one, equation of a line. So this line is what now? That is I will write like this. 2x plus y is equal to 200, dear students. Correct? This is the equation of line. So now see here. What will happen? So it contains origin or not? Just now I have shown you. So that means it will go downward. So shading will come downwards. Origin is here. So that means both are meeting here. In this area, can you see? This is going upward. This is coming downward. In this area they will meet. Here they can't. Why? Because it is going upward, not downward. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So that's why this is not there. Here also they are not meeting. This is going this side, this is going this side. So that's why they will not meet. This is our what solution region of this both the equation. This equation and this equation. One more is there? No. We have to satisfy this also. Then only we will get the feasible region, dear students. Let us check. Now first we will plot the points of that equation. Either the points in the plot modana. So 0, 0, where it will come here 0, 0. 50, 100. 50, 100. 50 is here. 100 is here. So that means we'll think here it will come. So I will plot this. So this one we have what? Now this line is what? This line is x 2x minus y is equal to 0. Now the problem is this only. Last class we have discussed more on this, I think so. So now see here. This is going upward or downward. Just in the last class I had told you in previous video, any point you can put and verify. So if you put this point and verify, this is satisfying means 100% it will setting is here. If you put this point, it is satisfying means this equation. Satisfying means what, sir? ಏನು ಸರ್ satisfying ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. 2x minus y is less than or equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So they are given this one. So you put any value, this or this, any one. If you put this 100, 50, 100, 0 I will take. 100 ಮತ್ತು 0 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. So 2 into 100, x ಇನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 100. 2 into 100, y is how much? 0. x का वैल्यू कितना है? 100 है, इसमें डाला, y का वैल्यू 0 है. 2 into 100, 200 minus 0 less than or equal to 0. 200 minus 0 is what? 200. 200 is less than 0. V is showing where face? 0. 0 is greater than 200. No. This is not possible. This is a false. That means shading will not come here, dear student. Shading ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100% ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ನಮ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ರೀಜನ್. सो नाउ सी हियर, इधर ये हुआ नहीं ना, से ये फॉल्स हुआ, मतलब इधर होता ही है. मैं दिखाऊंगा, डोंट वरी, आई विल शो यू. सो वन मोर पॉइंट वी विल टेक हियर. दिस पॉइंट इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक, दिस पॉइंट इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक. बोथ द पॉइंट्स आई विल शो यू, डोंट वरी. 0, 200. x is what? 0. 2 into 0, x is 0 here, y is how much? 200. So how much you will get, dear students? 2 into 0, 0 minus 200. So 0 minus 200 is minus 200 is less than 0. So this is what? True or not? Minus 200 is less than 0. 0 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ minus 200 ಗಿಂತ 100% 0 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ minus 200. ನೀವು 200 ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಡಿ, minus 200 ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So minus 200 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಗಿಂತನೂ. So this is true, dear students. That's why I am saying shading will come here. So now see here. One more point is there, no? You always doubt on me, some of you. So that's why I will show this point also. 0, 50. 0, 50 is what? X is 0, y is 50. Minus 50 you can write. 2 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 50. And 0 minus 50 is minus 50 is less than 0. This is also true, dear students. ಇದು ಕರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸತ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ minus 50 ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಗಿಂತನೂ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Shading will come here, dear students. Can you see this shading? So properly observe very clearly. I hope you are understanding. So only one request is, if you are understanding what you have to do, you know that many times I told. If you are understanding, please I request you like the channel, dear students. If you are understanding anything from this video, so please like and comment me. So I will be waiting for your comments and likes. Fine. So let us see. I hope it is clear how the shading has done. Now, maximum students, ಬಹಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. I think I have tried my level best to make you understand. I hope you have understood. Fine. So now see here. Now corner points. Shading is done here. Shading wherever is there, no, those are corner points. Shading is here. This is one corner point. Can you see this big, dark circle? So this is also there, and this is also there. There are 3 are there, dear students. This point is already known for you. That is 50, how much you have taken? 100, I think. Yes, and this point I have to find. So this is also corner point. Can you see here? Shading is there. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮೂಲಿಗಳನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕಾರ್ನರ್. ಈಗ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಂತಿರಲೋ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ? ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಂತೂ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ region, the common region determined by constants and non-negative constants. So this is the definition of feasible region. I hope all of you have understood. So this one I will call it as A, and this is B we'll find now, and this is C, we can say. This point I will say it as C, 50, 100. C is 50, 100, and this is, we can say, D, dear students. So A, B, C, D are called as what? If you want, you can give the name for this also, E. A, B, C, D are called as what? Corner points, dear students. I will pause the video to copy the notes. So this much you have to write. See, this one you have to write, and this diagram. Until whatever I had explained, no, this was the notes. Fine. Here only I had begun this. Now next what I will write, that also you copy. Fine. So 6 ikkadana baribedi. Fine. Don't write anything whatever strikes on mind. So please copy this. We'll continue the video, dear students. Please copy this. I hope all of you have copied. Let us continue the answer, dear students. Corner points will come now. So now see here. These are corner points. In exam, you have to write this also, dear students. That is what? X plus 2y. Fine. So what is your first point? First point is what? A is 0, 50 we have taken, and B I have to take. So still we don't know what is B and what is C. 50, 100, and D is what? 0, 200. Now the problem, how to find a B, dear students? This point how to find, you see here. Very clearly observe, dear students. This is what B. This line is what? X plus 2y is equal to 100. This line, can you see this? This line is x plus 2y is equal to 100. That line is meeting with which line here? That is middle line, 2x minus y. इसको सॉल्व करना है. एग्जाम में ऐसा करते हैं आप, हाँ सर इधर 30 है, इधर 40 है, 30, 40 is our answer. No, that is not correct, because I know that how much you will draw properly. I am not saying all of you will draw not correctly. So I am saying some of you will draw wrong. So that is not required to see like this. Sir, either 50 tha, either 100 hai. Easily I can do that. No. Please solve this. I am saying, dear students, to do not go wrong in exam, dear students. Please, I request you have to solve this equation. So this line is meeting with this line. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So you have to solve this both the equations. So 2x minus y is equal to 0, dear students. So now I will cancel this one, I think. Y I will cancel, I will multiply by 2 for this. So now what will happen? Here you see x plus 2y is equal to 100. I will write as is same. 2 into 2, 4x, 2 into minus y, minus 2y, 2 into 0 is 0. So add them, this will get cancelled. X plus 4x is 5x, 100 plus 0 is 100. Correct? 5 anja 5, 20s are, dear students. X value how much you got? 20. X value we have got 20, dear students. So you can put this in this or this. Any one equation I will put in this. 2 into what? X is how much? 20. 2 into 20 minus y is equal to 0. Don't take this. This is a multiplication I have done with this. So now 2 into 20 is 40 minus y is equal to 0. Minus y you take this side. It will become what? Plus y. 40 is equal to y, dear students. Y value is how much? That is 40 we got, dear students. Got it? So y value is 40. You understood how to get this one now? Same to same you write in exam. You will get the mark. And one more thing is what advantage in this? They will not change the numbers also, dear students. In L.P.P. or whatever, some other questions are fixed questions are there. In matrices and determinant, we have done already 5 marks session. Those who want passing marks will say. My choices are matrices you do, relation function, and determinants, differentiation. 20 marks you will get. So and you go for L.P.P also 6 marks. 4 marks you do K value, dear students, or determinants. Any one you can pick which is convenient for you. Other questions are easy, are there 2 marks, 3 marks. You can go for sum of symmetric and skew symmetric theorems and even problems also. Fine. Now let us work on this. So A is equal to 0, 50. I mean I have to maximize and minimize this. So Z value is what? X plus 2y is equal to. So now X is what? First point is what? X is 0, 0. Y is how much? 50. So 0, 2 into 50 is 100. So 0 plus 100 is 100, dear students. First value I got 100. So next one you see. Next one is how much? Next one. Next value you see, dear students. X value is 20. 2 into Y value is 40, dear students. Y value. I am putting in this here. X is 20. Y value is 40 I put. So 22 into 40 is 80. 80 plus 20 is again 100. Oh my god, two values we got hundreds. So now let us see. 50, 100 is there. X is how much? 50 plus 2 into Y. Y is how much? 100. 2 into 100 is 200. 200 plus 50, 250, dear students. I hope it is clear. All of you are understanding. Even simplification also I am showing you. X is what? 0. 2 into Y value is what? 200. So how much you will get? 2 into 200. 0 you leave. 2 into 200 is how much? 400. So that is 400 we got, dear students. So I hope you understood the simplification. And see, still I am saying this diagram and this much is required to write in exam. So now see here. Last conclusion you can do. Which is maximum and which is minimum in this? Maximum is which is having highest value. 400 is maximum and lowest value is what? Minimum is 100. This is minimum. Got it? So therefore maximum value of Z is 400 at D 0, 200, dear students. At point D 0, 200. Got it? So now see, and minimum value of Z is how much? 100 at A 0, 50 and B 20, 40, dear students. I hope you understood. This carries 6 marks, dear students. So if you are understanding anything from this video, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, those who are new, and say to your friends also. So I hope I tried my level best to make you understand. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Each like will inspires me to do the next video, dear students. So I will be waiting for your comment and likes. Fine. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you. Please copy this.